Kapro, the world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools.
Introducing the 313 Measuremate, the ultimate home improvement tool. The 313 Measuremate is a sturdy ruler and straight edge with an easy grip triangular profile, making it far easier to handle than conventional flat rulers. But the 313 is more than a ruler. Kapro has applied its innovation to make the 313 Measuremate the perfect tool for a wide range of home improvement jobs. Let's see what the Measuremate has to offer. The 313's unique design features two inset vials for clear and accurate horizontal leveling and vertical plumb measurements, making it a handy and precise spirit level. Transferring measurements is easy with the 313's sliding markers along the ruler's profile. Once you've marked the measurement, you need just line it up with one hand and mark with the other. Far easier than the traditional two-handed tape measure. Straight, safe, and accurate cutting is also easy with the 313's built-in knife guides in both markers. This keeps the blade aligned with the straight edge and away from your fingers. Centering points on shelves, pictures, and other fixtures for hanging is simple with the 313's zero and center point markings. The 313 also has standard placement markings along the profile for easy alignment of electrical outlets, sockets, and plumbing fixtures. In the 313 Edge is a handy nail gripper that doubles as a tool hanger and a drill bit gauge. Safe and easy nailing every time. And of course, the 313 Measuremate is a ruler and straight edge with a strong aluminum profile that ensures a clean edge for every marking job. The 313 Measuremate comes in a range of sizes from a 30 cm 12-inch model up to a 120 cm 48-inch model. The 313 Measuremate is one of Kapro's most unique and innovative tools for all-around home improvements. Whether you're leveling, cutting, transferring, aligning, centering, gripping, or nailing, the 313 Measuremate is the perfect tool. Be sure to see what other cutting-edge innovations Kapro has to offer at kapro.com. Another innovative solution by Kapro.